Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Dentist Sister Always Want to Tease Me, Chapter 9. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Kaian right now. She's having difficulty. Indeed, the tasks assigned to me are much more than the other mentors. Now, she was thinking about it. Dancing, she's been tough on her, especially today. It's first day of the work, but there's a lot of things are need to be done. But I won't change mentors. Sister asked me to sort out of the cases, also let me adapt to it as soon as possible. So right now, she was really hard dedicated. And now it really makes sense. Rookie, there are so many different things done in this school. Well, her friends suddenly surprised to her answer. Of course, she didn't expect it, that she would stick to Ransing and she will choose her as a mentor. The school, it was a truer class. It's completely incomparable to the actual operation. Tell you, I saw you the case today. What's the matter? You continue to work too hard. Well, Shu Yao called me, bye. So it turns out she know how to tease people. Now, back to her senses. Now, she kept looking at the medical records. Now, finally, she's feel relief. Although she is more relaxed right now. Seeing her like that, Ransing suddenly want to interrupt her. I heard someone is secretly talking about me. Now, she want to surprise her by suddenly popping in. Well, definitely Kaian. She must be surprised by this. Now, Kaian. Well, she only realized that all the things that she said today, well, definitely, it will hurt by Ransing. That's why she looks really rattled. Well, this kid, she's really rattled and we can saw all that on the face. I don't, senior. You listen to me. To cover up. No, I want to explain. But right now, Ransing, she was only looking at hers. Well, definitely on her side. She don't need to ask her anything. It's my classmate who asked me if I wanted to get off work together. I said that I haven't finished my work yet. They say, why do you have so much work? And I said this as my blessing. Now, it really makes sense. She know how to make an alibi. And Ransing, she was really impressed on hers. And now, she was really laughing hard. Definitely, she know. This girl, she can easily deceive, but also, she can easily coax by the others. Well, I'm not angry, Ransing said to her. Now she moved closer to Kaian and trying to hold hers. It seems that she's going to tell her something. Well, definitely, it looks like it. But right now, Kaian she was looking at Ransing. Well, suddenly realizing that she is getting teased. Well, definitely Ransing. She is really good at teasing her. Ransing moved closer to her and holds her on a cheek. How many cases have you been sorted? I organized almost half of the finishing. Kaian said to Ransing. Well, it was really good for the starting. I guess Ransing noticed. Well, due to the trauma, the teeth are loose, used to the periodontal splint. So, she can only see the cases. Right now, she can really explain to her. Well, definitely, she's a pro right now. Isn't more appropriate to use an orthodontic bracket for the symptoms of this patient? Kaian said to Ransing. But Ransing, she seems to be getting interested in the questions of Kaian. The Vogue goes to the school with the loose teeth caused by the trauma. Now, Kaian is still moving closer to her and holds her on the cheek. Well, definitely, she's going to tease her again. Let's see on what will happen. Well, at this moment, she is trying to see it's necessary to take an action pill first to observe that the teeth are loose or not. The periodontal splint is more suitable for the loose teeth caused by periodontal disease. So Kaian, right now, she's been taught. In fact, the patient situation is more suitable or orthodontic brackets, but consider dynamic situations of the person. It's been selected, the periodontal splint. So it turns out the case of the patient is different. Based on the original, it is so. Well, definitely, looking at Kaian at this moment, it seems that she really feels strange. Well, something's really bothering her. Now, Ransing, in practice, consider the situation of each patient. Treat the patient. Well, she was right. We cannot push the patient expensive things and also need to consider Need to consider the condition of the patient if she can really afford to take the treatment. Now, I got it. I answered Ransing. You also need to learn more practical experience with your sister. Well, the first day of work, don't be too late. Well, definitely, today is finally done. Accompany me to the dinner. Senior, wait for me. I will pick up immediately. Kai answered Ransing. Well, after a stressing day, finally, it was a relaxing moment with hers. Now, she's been busy taking off the papers, took off the bag. Well, definitely she was really rushing through. Be able to take a dinner with her sister. Well, she was really rushing. She can able to eat dinner with her. Now, sister, I'm ready. Hi, Anne. Now, she's been happy after a long day, and a tiring work. Finally, she's been rewarded by Ransing. Now, it's like a lost puppy. She's been found. Well, she hold her hands, probably so she don't get to walk too fast. Looking at the two of them, they're really looking good walking on each other. Well, let's go. Ransing said to her. Well, they look really cute. Also, they look really beautiful. The next day, finally, it was the second days on the training. Well, definitely, she need to be more patient. Of course, she had a lot of work to finish. Right now, looking at Kai-an, she looks really great. And she was humming proudly because the two of them already dined out last night. And also Ransing, she's always been taken care of. Intern, can you help me to sort out these cases? At 10 o'clock, the case is about. One of the doctors said. Turns out, she has a new cases that needs to be solved. Ah, but my mentor is Si Ransing. I answered to the doctor. Well, of course, she need to finish something. But this doctor is asking her, for an intern, what qualification do you have to refuse the job given by the doctor? You have to do the work that tells you. The doctor said to her, now the doctor is really getting angry on hers. Right now, Kai-an, she want to make sure that the doctor is not being neglected. Well, definitely, it was really troublesome for her. Let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for joining membership. Only once. Thank you for supporting this channel. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!